walking through the fire with the scars I can't erase. Every step I take feels heavier, but I still can't leave this place. Whiskey bottles on the table, memories I can't contain. You're the ghost that keeps on burning in the ashes of my pain. And I know I should've let you go, but the fire in my chest keeps pulling me back. I confess,
we're broken flames, burning in the dark, we can't escape. Lighting up the scars we made, but love don't heal that way. We're broken flames, fighting with the shadows of our names, holding on though nothing stays. We're only fire that fades.
every night I taste the silence, but your echoes call me home. Like a match stuck in the darkness, you remind me I'm alone. Try to drown you in the bottle, but your face still finds a way. Through the smoke and all the chaos, I can't turn the night to day.
And I know I should've let you go,
But the fire in my chest keeps pulling me back. I confess,
we're broken bones, burning in the dark, we can't escape. Lighting up the scars we made, but love don't heal that way. We're broken flames, fighting with the shadows of our names, holding on though nothing stays. We're only fire that fades. I'm living in the silence,
you're screaming in my veins,
I try to leave it all behind.
but we're addicted to the flame.
We're broken flames, burning in the dark, we can't escape. Lighting up the scars we made, but love don't heal that way. We're broken flames, fighting with the shadows of our names, holding on though nothing stays. We're only fire that fades. Broken